Good morning, guys. So welcome to another vlog. We actually went to Starbucks before we came back home this morning, and I got the new brown sugar oatmeal shaken espresso, but they didn't have oat milk. The last time that I got the drink was in the last vlog where I went to Marshall's and I tried the new Starbucks drink, and ever since then I can't find the drink anymore because either they're sold out or they don't carry oat milk, which is kind of weird because it's a new drink and it seems like it's always sold out. I've gone in the morning, but in the vlog I went at like 7 in the morning, and I've gone now like at 9, 10, and they're already sold out. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my oat milk that I have, because the almond milk is not that good. I don't know, it tastes like horchata with coffee. I think the girl put too much cinnamon. But today we're gonna make chilaquiles, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make them, and then how I'm gonna fry, what are they called? How I'm gonna make my refried beans. My mom was telling me this weekend how to make them, and I felt like the way I was making them before, they never had flavor. So she told me what I was missing. So we ended up going to the market, and she told me to fry onion and chiles de árbol, which I think I got the wrong one. I got chiles japoneses. It's the same thing, no? Chiles de árbol. She told me to fry this on with the oil first and onion, and then take that out. So this and the onion will give the oil a flavor, and then you throw your beans and then you refry them. But in the meantime, I'm gonna make chilaquiles, so let's make the food. So for the chilaquiles, I'm gonna wait until these are very crispy, and once they start getting crispy and hard, I'm going to add onion, and then I'm going to add eggs. Since it's only for me and my gal, I think I'm only gonna use 3 to 4 eggs. It all depends. But we have to wait until the tortillas get color and then they get hard. And then for the eggs, as you guys can see, it splatters everywhere because of the oil. They told me that the best way for your beans to get flavor was not only to add the chiles, but to wait for this to boil before you smash them, so they start getting a lot of flavor. So I'm not gonna smash them until they are boiling and we get these to the color that we want. For the chilaquiles, I added the onion like this. Now I'm waiting for the onion to get a little bit of color, and then the tortillas these are yellow corn tortillas, so they already look dark, but they still need to be a little bit more crispy. And then I already have the eggs ready to be thrown here, and then this is already boiling, so we're gonna smash the beans now. I took off the chiles de árbol, I put them on the side, and we're gonna smash this, and then after we'll add the chiles again, just so I can continue to give it flavor. Okay, so I added the eggs. Some people, how they eat the chilaquiles is just the tortilla with flavor and cebolla, and then you'll add like the egg on top. Some people have the tortillas and then the eggs on the side. For me, how my mom always made them, and what I knew what chilaquiles were like this: the tortilla with scrambled egg together, and then you add some sauce. Usually I would make the sauce, but since Miguel doesn't like the chilaquiles with sauce, I already removed half of this and served it to Miguel, and then I leave the rest for me. And then I'm gonna add this sauce, which is el pato sauce. I opened it a little bit. I don't like to just add the sauce like this. I like to put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and different seasonings, because I feel like the sauce has no flavor. It's literally just tomato sauce in a way. It's a little bit spicy, but it doesn't have a lot of flavor. Let me open this a little bit better so we can pour it on here. Okay, I opened it better, and I'm gonna pour sauce like this. And I'm gonna get all the egg and the tortillas wet. I know not everybody eats chilaquiles like this, and not everybody uses that sauce, but honestly, it's very easy and simple to make with the sauce. It tastes way better when you make your own sauce, but for today, it is what it is. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and season the sauce, because the sauce just on its own, it tastes a little bit funny to me. And at every restaurant you go, that's the sauce that they usually use. I'm gonna add a little bit of more sauce because I want them more red. Okay, so this is my plate already. I added raw onions on top just because I like onion. Queso fresco, and then queso fresco on the beans, and I added half an avocado on the side. And this is how it looks. That's what we're gonna have for breakfast. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of hours actually. I just finished with all the packages that we have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the post office, drop that off. I'm also gonna go to Sprouts because I've been seeing on TikTok that they recommend these chlorophene drops for the water. You can go ahead and incorporate them in your water bottle, and they have a lot of benefits. I was reading about it yesterday. I've seen them on TikTok a lot. Like, everybody has been trying them, and they've been saying that it improves your skin a lot. I'm gonna read to you guys the benefits. Everybody even said that if you have a heavy period, to add these to the water and it will help. Honestly, I think that's the #1 reason why I want to try them, because that's something that I need help with, because I have horrible cramps all the time, and every month there is a crazy story with that. But let me read to you guys the benefits. I was telling my gal about it yesterday. I'm gonna try it for 15 days. So it says that it helps stimulate. The benefits are stimulating the immune system, eliminated fungus in the body, detoxing your blood, cleaning your intestines, getting rid of bad odor, energizing the body, and preventing cancer. Now, one of the things that I did hear a lot on TikTok was that it gets rid of bad odors. So if you are a person that sweats a lot, or that you like to go to the gym but you always smell like sweat, I know, like for me, I use men deodorant because I hate the smell of sweat or armpits. It's not that bad where that's like I need this to help me, but it'll be better if you smell good from the inside out. Those are some of the benefits. So let's go to the post office because I talk a lot. We'll head out to the post office, drop these things off before it gets busy. Hey guys, so it's actually been a few hours. I made it back home. I don't know if you guys are able to hear my gal, but he's making a phone call. I'm working on a campaign, so I have my laptop here. Look at how pretty my laptop cover is. I got this on Amazon a long time ago, and I think I want to buy a new one now. This is so pretty. It's like a pink marble. I think it's so cute. But I've been working on a campaign that's going to go out tomorrow for our business, and Miguel and I were breaking down we're actually purchasing a new truck, so for our trucking business. So the truck, we're trying to see how it's gonna come to LA because it's in another state. So he was breaking that down. I'm doing this because it has to be done by tomorrow. I have a deadline. So I'm working on that, and I totally forgot to tell you guys, one, I didn't find the, what was it called? What was it called? The vitamin drops. I didn't find the vitamin drops at Sprouts. They didn't have them, and I didn't have anybody around me to ask if they knew where they were, but I checked every aisle in the vitamin section and they weren't there. There is a vitamin shop around my mom's house that I'm gonna check soon. I still ended up going to Ulta. I'm gonna finish doing the campaign. I want to film a home decor video tomorrow. I actually filmed the home decor video 2 days ago, and I didn't like how it looked. I have a hard time with this camera. I think it's good for vlogs, but when it's like a sit down, I don't like most of the content once I'm editing it. So I have such a hard time, and I'm trying to connect this to my laptop to have a monitor. So right now we are doing what we can with the camera. So I have to refilm the home decor because I have a lot of new home decor stuff. I have to record the story time because I had some exciting news this week that, oh my god, it's been 10 years of me waiting for this. So I'll do a whole get ready with me, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do another vlog, and I'll take you guys to get my braces tied in because it's almost coming to an end. So we're gonna get our braces tied in tomorrow and see what they do. I think they are gonna change up a few things in my mouth, and yeah, I think I'm gonna close off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog that you guys saw with me, the fail at Sprouts. I will still follow up with you guys and show you guys in another vlog, or tell you guys later on when I find the vitamin drops that I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna continue to do a little bit more research on them. Now that's gonna be it. I will see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.